Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SLOKSFil 28000Pa Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful 4-in-1 design, vacuuming and blowing, tired of stubborn pet hair? Boasting up to 28,000Pa suction and 45G blowing force, the SLOKSFil vacuum makes effortless cleaning a reality. It removes pet hair, cat litter, debris, and dirt in seconds. Versatile use makes it perfect for couches, carpets, car interiors, and more. No mess is too tough. High performance, long-lasting battery. This SLOKSFil pet hair vacuum features a 3-piece 2000 mAh lithium battery and a USB-C charging cable. In the first mode, it is energy-saving and can be used for 30 minutes. In the second mode, it is powerful and can be used for 15 minutes. It offers 18 to 32 minutes of runtime depending on mode. It can be charged via a car charger, power bank, or other USB power source. A full charge takes approximately 3 to 4 hours. Quick cleaning. With the touch of a button, this cordless handheld vacuum switches between eco mode, quiet and energy efficient, and max mode, high performance power, effectively removing dust, dirt, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. Its powerful suction easily tackles debris in cars, on sofas, walls, and stairs, as well as in hard-to-reach areas, giving you effortless control over various cleaning tasks. Ultra-portable and lightweight, compact yet powerful, this cordless handheld vacuum delivers professional-grade cleaning performance. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to store and ideal for use on the go. All components except the main motor unit are washable, and the reusable filter can be rinsed clean. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.